you see in my kitchen lab. Actually, just my kitchen. Hi everyone, my name is Sanshiro. Today I'm going to talk about 2 lessons I learned from making meringue when it's too late. And for every baking beginners, I would like to say that don't be afraid to make mistakes because failure is a part of success. I failed from time to time, but I learned along the way and try to improve it so that I won't repeat the same mistake again. So today we are going to do some experiment about how to fail to make meringue. You see in my kitchen lab. Okay, let's see how not to make a meringue. So importantly, as many cook has says in their videos that you should not have any grease or oil in the utensil or the whisk. So suppose that I have some butter on it because I have just beat the butter and the sugar to make cheesecake. Yeah, so I beat it without washing it, so what will be like? Okay, now they have bubbles and I put some sugar in it. See that it cannot become a stiff peak. Although it can form some bubbles better, but it takes much more time to become a stiff peak. So that's why we should always wash our utensil and the whisk before making meringue so that the oil will not prevent forming the peak. Okay, so this time we will see how to make a correct meringue. What to do is to separate the egg white and make sure that there's no fat or any part of the yolk inside here. So here it's very clean, and make sure that your utensil is free of grease or oil as it will prevent bubbling. And here's the sugar. We won't put it right away, so we just separate in some container first. And firstly, just beat them like. Okay, now they got some bubbles already, so we'll put out of the sugar and beat again. Put the rest of the sugar, then continue beating. It depends on how much you want. This one is quite stiff peak already, so I would say it's a successful meringue. And that's all for the experiment of meringue. And I hope you learn how to not make a meringue and learn really how to make meringue today. And if you like my video, please press like to my fan page and subscribe to YouTube channel. See you in the next video. I learned from what I learned all you see in my test. Actually, just my kitchen.